did you know and the elders expect us to go around the neighboring communities in search of Odile? Where are we going to start from?
Rufus, it's not all about the search.
How do you mean?
The truth is that the real offender is yet to be found.
You have started again. Why are you talking like this? See, there is every evidence from what the elders told us that the gods are angry with us for our inability to punish Ofodile according to how our custom demands.
Onowu's comment this night was only a guesswork.
Ekene, Ibiakwa, how do you mean?
The elders should sit down and have a rethink. Matters of such nature should be taken to eyes of the gods instead of them taking laws into their own hands.
There is no need for that. We already know what our problem is. I am my hands of mine.
Rufus, have you asked yourself why Ode Njinjin appeared to the same man who alleged that he saw Ofodile behind the shrine area the night the image was tampered with? Well, we shall see tomorrow when we shall commence for the ultimate search.
Hello, man. Man, I go. Where would you go to field? He's dead, guys. Ugo? Man, I go. This man is dead, I'm telling you guys. Chile! Ugo? He's dead. Yeah.
Odejiji has started to unleash its anger. Yes.
Mama, does anything happen today?
There is panic everywhere. The news is everywhere. There is panic in the land. Everybody's running helter-skelter.
What happened?
Ibebu is dead. Everybody believes it was Odejiji that killed him. I saw him with my eyes.
Mama, how did they know it was Odejiji that killed him? How?
The news is everywhere. I am worried because I don't want anything to interfere with your upcoming traditional marriage and coronation. This is where I'm worried.
If that is the case, I am not safe.
Helpless and homeless. My life is all at stake. Oh, on the run, on the run. Who do I talk to? Where do I run to? Gods of a land, I am innocent. But I'm saying, Maka, Ika, Kubunu. But I'm saying, Maka, Ewegi Monyo, so.
I shouldn't have let him go, since the gods decided to deliver him in my hands. My mother will not be happy with this. entire Umobia have searched everywhere for Ofodile, yet they could not find him. Then I was given an opportunity by the gods to catch him, and I let that opportunity pass me by. If Odenjiji have started killing our people, then I am not safe too.
What happened to you?
I was bitten by a snake where I was hunting.
Blood turns black.
Oh, please
it's
help.
A poisonous one.
Please help me. I don't want to die. Please.
I'm coming.
Please.
No. Come with me. Do not lose your guard. Come with me, Ofodile. Do not lose your guard. Come with me. I have searched the entire community, and still I cannot get the leaves I need as an antidote for the snake bite. Ofodile will die if I fail to get an antidote after today. There are only two places I can get it. My community and Agoke, my maternal home. I cannot go to my community for fear of being caught.
Please help me. I know you can do this. Please help me. The pain is so much. The pain is so much. Please.
Ofodile, I'm sorry about the pains you're going through. By the gods, I will find the antidote today.
Do not allow me to die. Please, I don't want to die.
You will not die, but I must hurry now. We do not have much time.
Mama! Mama!
Where have you been since morning?
Mama, you won't believe it. Mama, you won't believe it.
You're all excited.
Yes!
Where have you been?
I went to visit Nkiru and her mother on my way coming from Ono's house.
You don't say.
You need to see how excited everybody was when I came in. It was like Igwe came to visit them.
You mean he went to see her in their house?
Oh, yes, see, they almost gave me everything in their house to eat. Drink, food.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, thank the gods that girl is from a good family.
But I told you.
Yes. See, when I finally become the Igwe.
What is it?
Our stomach.
Please come, I don't know what's happening to my son. Please come. Come, we go now. Yes.
Your son is here, China?
Yes.
What's the matter with him?
Please come immediately. Come to the house. I don't want anything to happen to my son. I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Let me quickly change. Wait for me.
Also, because also here the baby nanny, but here the baby nanny, bro. Bano son. Come now, no son.
I have only today to save Affordale's life. I have searched the entire bush in Agoki and still cannot find the particular leaf I'm looking for. The only option now is to go to my community. But I cannot risk going there. What do I do now? Worst of all, I forgot to disguise myself. I was in a haste to leave.
Obina, when is this endless search going to come to an end? I'm tired, I'm very, very tired.
Did you not call it endless search?
Obina, this is no longer funny. Eh? This thing is no longer getting funny. Ha!
See, Chibuzo is the cause of this problem you are facing now. If he had kept his mouth shut, maybe we wouldn't have been going through this stress. Erima, yes, today I see Erima, I saw Erima, tomorrow I saw Erima. But when it's time to provide Erima, he couldn't provide Erima again.
See, that boy is a very big fool. I told him that the person that he saw inside that bush is a ghost and not Erima. But he still insists that that's Erima that he saw.
By now you should have known Chibuzo. Chibuzo did not see Erima, neither did Chibuzo even saw a ghost. Chibuzo is just like that. Let's just see, for me, the king should just go on with his life and forget this girl. No. Thank God the queen is heavy with a child. God willing, she might give birth to a male child.
Yes, now, yes. As simple as that.
Have peace and this whole thing.
As simple as that.
Every day you are inside the bush. Coming around looking for Erima every day.
Hey you! What are you still doing here?
Don't come close to me.
Today, that your witchcraft have failed you. Let's get up. Let's get up! Stop there! Stop there!
Let's take him to the hospital. Let's take him to the hospital. Do something now. Stop calling calling him now. Let's help him to the hospital. Let's help him. Let's help him. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go. No, Baba.
He's dead.
Let's go. Just talk to your mother.
Oh, then Gigi, I teach again.
Oh, Gigi is not at anything. It's not anything. It's not one thing. It's just. Oh, baby, leave me alone. My son is not dead. Yes, he's not dead. Oh, baby, leave me alone. Leave me alone. My son is not dead. Oh, baby, leave me alone. Nah, did they on one go? Papa, he says him here. Mommy says him here. Mommy says him here. Just help me. Let me carry him.
He's dead. Oh, then Gigi has done it again. Oh, then where we should be?
I don't know.
Hago, Saja, let me go this way.
Okay.
Hey! Look at that.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Today, that's the sorcerer I told you.
We explain to the Igbo how you killed the son.
I didn't kill the
other people you killed their son.
Let's take out the body.
Come on, move it.
Leave me alone!
No! Move it! Move it!
No! Obina, what's wrong with you? Obina! Obina!
Greetings, Highness.
Why are you here? I said I need your leader, Obina.
Your Highness, Obina is not in the right frame of mind to speak to you, Your Highness.
What happened?
We met Obina and his vice, Agu, crying and scratching themselves, with boils all over their bodies. We tried to find out what happened to them, but none of them could utter a word, Your Highness.
Where are they?
They are outside, Your Highness.
What is actually happening? Why is it so difficult for me to avenge the death of my son?
Make sure you tell no one about this. Not even your bosom friend.
Yes or no?
Is that clear?
Yes or no?
Now go.
Stay here and watch him die. The snake's venom will soon get to his heart. I'm left with no other option than to go to my home community. I have to take that risk to save his life. That is the only way to keep him alive.
people believe that Igwe Okunta is epileptic. The whole Igwe Okunta is epileptic. I was shocked to my bone marrows. I'm sure she didn't hear me. That bag, I have seen that bag before. She's dressed like a man with a feminine footsteps. Anyway, it's a distraction.
Gods of our land. He has died. After everything I did to save your life. Who will believe I have done nothing to him? Who will believe I did not kill him? Abadile! Abadile! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Wake up, Abadile! Wake up! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Abadile! Abadile! Gods of our land! Where are the gods of this land? Where are they? Why would they allow my son to die the way he died? Or even where are the gods?
Stop crying. Eh? Oh, the best say stop crying. If tears will bring back Eziechina, he would have come back a long time ago. Eh? Stop crying.
Whoever killed my son will never know peace in his entire life. They will never know peace.
Oh, the best God cannot answer that kind of prayer now.
They will surely answer this one. They will answer this one.
Look, Eziechina's death was not caused by anyone. Eh? Odenjiji was responsible for his death.
Then Odenjiji should come and kill me instead.
See, do you know who are the elders? They've refused to perform their duties. That is why the calamity is happening in this community. No. Eh? Who knows who will die next?
Odenjiji should come and kill me instead. Let me join my son in the land of the dead. I cannot be on earth like this. No son, no husband, no brother, no sister. I'm just alone here. Me, I want to join my son. I want to join my son. I want to join my son.
Odidibeze, stop crying. Eh? You are the only one who can console yourself. Eh? See, you will only end up causing more harm to yourself. Eh? Stop crying.
I better die because I am no longer living. I am no longer living. I am no longer living.
Look, I only came to check how you are faring. Eh? So, but listen to me, take my advice. Stop crying, no. Stop crying. If not, you will enjoy yourself.
Whoever I kill my son must die as well. The person must die. This is why I'm crying. This episode will cry like that. Because we kill the person and we not take it. Where are the gods of this land? Come and kill me. Come and kill me the way you killed my son. Come and kill me.
You said you were going to my place.
Yes, Nai.
I hope all is well.
Oh, all is well. But there's something that's been bothering me for some time now. See, let me come and discuss it with you.
You can see that I'm going out now. But since you said that the matter is urgent, could you tell me here and then?
Nai, it's about our ego's problem. I have been disturbed since that day I found out that our ego has such problem.
I hope you have not told anybody about it.
No, at all. I have not. It's just that I know where we can go for his cure.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It is because you don't know the caliber of Kabbalists that have come from far and wide to profess solutions to the problem, all to no avail. Igwe is not ready to welcome any herbalist in the palace again.
Now you know, the woman I'm talking about, she's very powerful. She has the power to heal all kinds of diseases. In fact, she was the one that healed my uncle's daughter. She has the same problem that Igwe has. In fact, her own is even more than Igwe's own. But that woman was the one that made her whole.
You said a woman?
Yes, a woman.
A woman. And where is she from?
Aguke, my mother's village.
Well, I don't think our Igwe will like it. But I'll try and tell him. But you have to bear in mind that you are the only person that knows about the Igwe's problem.
Yes.
So you should keep it a secret.
Yes, no, it's always a secret. No. Okay, sir. All right. Okay. This problem is killing us.
I'm happy you are still alive.
I need water.
Dile, you are favored by the gods. No one has ever been bitten by such a poisonous snake and stayed alive for 2 days. The gods have their eyes on you.
Hey, that woman. Yes. From everything the old woman said, I observed that she is capable of solving our Igwe's problem. Don't you think so?
Oh no. You would have insisted she follows us immediately. There's no point wasting time.
Okay. That wouldn't have been wise if I had persuaded her. She has given us her words that she will be at the palace tomorrow. At least she needs time to get prepared. Huh?
No, that is true.
Good.
That is true.
And the Igwe will be very happy with you, very pleased with you, if eventually he's made whole.
Now you know, I strongly believe that woman can do it. Yes.
Okay, let's go and do some other things.
What brought them into this community? How did they get here? And which old woman were they discussing about? How did they know about you?
A man whose daughter are healed of epilepsy told them about me. But for the gods, they almost caught me unawares.
Are you serious?
I saw them from afar. I ran in to change and met them outside.
That means we are going to be very vigilant these days. But are you telling me you're actually going there?
Yes. The hour has come. The gods know right. I am going there, and you are going with me. Yes, Affordily, you are going with me. The hour has come.
Greetings, Your Highness. You are welcome. You are welcome.
I hear you need my help.
Yes, I heard how gifted you are. Who is he? Okay. Please, do anything you can to save me from this shame that started after the death of my first wife. I experience it almost 3 times every day. I have not met with my cabinet ever since because of this. Please, help me.
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, we are here to save you from the shame you've been passing through all this while. But we are going to do that only on one condition.
Oh, make your requests. I give you my words, and I'll do it immediately, as long as I will be healed.
Great King, you must spare the lives of every single one that you intend.
Woman, I am surprised at what you just said. I am not after anyone's life.
Yes, you are. A young maiden saw the vision of the death of your son. She had to run away from this community for fear that you are after her life. She's innocent. You must forgive her.
No! No! She killed my son, the heir to this throne. Oh, now I know who you are. An agent of evil. God!
I knew it was going to happen. And what are we going to do if he finally finds out our true identity?
He will not do anything to us. He needs help with his problem.
You are talking as if you don't know him. Eh? He's going to subject us to torture if we don't say the truth.
He will do no such thing. He needs liberation. That I can offer.
I don't know, I wouldn't have come with you. Because he's going to keep us here without food and water. He has done that to me before.
For deal. Let us stop this conversation. The walls has ears.
Oh no, Your Highness. That woman might have the cure to my illness. But that does not stop me from taking action against her and the donor.
Your Highness, your life and your statues are at stake. You cannot continue like this.
Oh no, I must avenge the death of my son. Is either they tell me the whereabouts of Erima, or I will have both of them killed.
Your Highness, you have made good effort to avenge the death of your son. Leave revenge for the gods. At least you have made good effort to avenge the death of the prince.
Are you insinuating that I should go ahead and forgive Erima after seeing the link to her whereabouts?
Your Highness, those two might not know the whereabouts of Erima. Having them detained or killing them at last will not solve any problem. Let's not lose this opportunity of your cure.
Oh no. It is hard for me to forgive that evil child because she made me childless and hopeless.
There is still hope.
It will be an act of cowardice to let Erima go after she has killed my only son.
She will surely not go free, even when you are accepted to forgive her.
Ejago, my friend, you will not stop amusing me.
But that is the truth. I will never bow down to a cow simply because I want to eat meat. It is not done.
That is right. That makes you a man. You have to be bold enough to demand for what belongs to you. Everybody in this community knows that that piece of land belongs to you.
Oh,
Not Ibekwe.
Oh, Ibekwe is getting on my nerves. But let him not worry. I am ready to answer him anywhere, anytime he calls me.
It's all right. Did you know anything about the old woman that came to the palace 3 days ago with a certain young man?
Yes.
Good evening. Papa?
So you are just coming back now?
Yes, Papa. I was not able to get a fresh one.
My friend, go home now. Go home. There's nobody at home. If in case anybody come looking for me, tell the person to wait. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
Now you can go.
Papa, you are not wasting time.
No.
Okay.
Is she the same old woman that was declared wanted by the Igwe because of Erima's case?
Yes. That was why they were detained and arrested by the Igwe. But do you know something? This afternoon, case changed.
How do you mean?
Igwe pardoned them. He asked them to go.
But what took them to the palace in the first place?
That I don't know.
I was the only one who knew that the old woman our Igwe declared wanted was Erima. Now, what is her mission in the palace? This man said, we are not noted.
Well, the Igwe knows it all. And I'm sure he has his reason or reasons for setting them free.
Oh yes. And I know one day the truth must come out.
That's true. That's true.
See, my friend, back to the first topic. Okay. I have not forgotten.
Okay.
I will see Ebekwe.
Okay.
You know he listens to me. I will talk to him about the land. Hmm?
That's okay. Thank you very much. That's very thoughtful of you.
Okay, let's go.
Can we go together?
Yes, yes, yes. Without wasting time.
My sister, in all my pregnancy, on many faiths, to be crowned the Igwe of our community.
My sister, I heard it though.
But I'm wondering, how can a man who sleeps around with the widows of our community become our Igwe?
That is awful though. Now he has refused to get married until he is crowned the Igwe. How could such an unreasonable man wear the crown of this community? How? How?
But why didn't the gods choose from another family? Since Ofodile and Ezechina could not make it.
My dear, Ofodile's disappearance and Ezechina's death are still mysteries. 2 brothers gone. Just like that, though. Just like that, including Ofodile's mother.
Thank you. Yeah? I doubt the story that Ezechina was killed by Odenjinji.
Huh? Why? Why did you say that?
Look around us now. How many people has Odenjinji killed? I'm thinking that the person who killed Ofodile's mother and had Ofodile framed up knew what happened to Ezechina.
Please, oh, say the one you know, and for my say the one you're sure of. I cannot know.
You think about it now. If Odenjiji was angry with us like people pledge, by now so many people would have died after Ezechina's death because Ofodile has not been found.
Afoma, let us leave this issue in the hands of the gods. Let's leave it in the hands of the gods. Biko.
Oh, the best. The most beautiful woman in this universe. Not just that universe. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning.
Morning. I hope you slept well.
I did. I was supposed to come and see you yesterday. But as you can see, I'm not feeling very well. So I decided to come and see you today to find out why you sent for me.
You did well. You did very well. I actually should have come myself to come and see you. You know I'm very busy because of the preparation for the coronation.
I know.
It's just 3 days from now.
I know. Well done.
Thank you. You see, you've been on my mind, particularly after the death of your son. And I've been looking for a way to help you. And I think the opportunity is here. The elders have mandated that I marry on the day of the coronation.
So, how does it affect me? How does it concern me?
See, I want you to be by my side on that day. I mean, I want you to sit by me.
I don't understand.
Why can't you understand? What can't you understand? You see, you are the wife of my late brother. And by extension, you are my wife. I just want to continue from where my brother stopped. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong in making you, or crowning you the queen of this land. Or the Beze. I want you to be my wife. Where are you going?
I don't have anything to say to you. Because I can see here now that you have lost every sense of reasoning.
Odibeze, you are talking to the future Igwe of this land.
If you like, be the king of this entire universe. Acquire the whole wealth put together. But I, Odibeze, I will not stoop low to marry a dog like you. Ngeta, bingo. That is what you are. A dog. Rubbish.
Ngeta. She. Odibeze, you are walking away. I'm talking to you, are walking away. The future Igwe of this land. You call me Nketa, dog. Okay. 3 days. Just 3 days. You will bow down before me.
I'm telling you, this cannot be the house. Let's check the other house.
I am sure this is the place. Because I remember clearly well that the last time we came, we got to this point.
If that is so, why is the place so deserted, so lonely?
Why you know, that is the place. Let's go. Yes, no. I told you this is the place.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. We are here to see your mother. Is she in?
Mama? Biao.
Greetings, wise one.
Oh no. Greetings.
We are here from Igbo Konta of Amude community. She said we should give you this gift as appreciation. He has been cured of his epilepsy.
The gods be praised. Affordile, accept the gifts. My greetings to the Igwe. The gods be praised. Say that he has been healed.
He pleaded with you that you should accept the gifts, even though you did not ask for them. He added that you should tell Irima to return home if you know her whereabouts.
The gods be praised.
Say,
I am grateful. Tell the Igwe that I have a surprise for him. And only you will deliver the message of that surprise. Now you know. The gods be praised that the Igwe is well. Tell the Igwe that Irima lives. The life he tried to take is the same life that saved his life. The gods be praised that I can return back home. Tell him that I will certainly return back home soonest.
You went too far. You wouldn't have shown them your true identity.
I did what I was supposed to do. I have waited a long time for this.
Irima, don't you think that Igwe Konta might decide to change his mind and have you executed now that he has known your true identity?
Do not be afraid of Odile. The gods know why this has happened. We leave at dawn tomorrow.
To where?
Your community.
To my community? To go and do what? Don't you know that they're after my life too?
Of Odile. Time and season. There is time for everything. A time to run. And a time to go back. A time for war. And a time for peace. This is the right hour. Do not forget who you are. We leave at dawn.
What is she talking about? I don't understand. Is it that she's afraid that Igwe Konta might come here looking for her?
At last, Omenife is about to be crowned as the Igwe of Umobia Kingdom. Yes! At least I am confident that he's going to stand by our agreement. Meaning that in no distant time, I will become the Prime Minister of this land. Enoka the manipulator. Enoka
This here is the offer of Umoba Kingdom. It's the symbol of our authority. By it, you are charged by custom and tradition to rule with justice and fairness. You wicked man.
Where is this man coming from? Oh no! Arrest this man immediately. Get the youth to arrest this man before he escapes again. Oh no! What are you waiting for? I said get the youth to kill this man!
You are a wicked man. Go out there and confess to the people the evil you've done on this land.
What are you talking about? Eh? You committed abomination against this land and you are supposed to be dead by now. The gods have brought you out from your hiding place. Oh no. By the powers conferred on me as the Igwe of this kingdom, I command you to get the youths now. Beat this man, take him to the evil forest and kill him.
Omenife, calm down. We have to understand what is going on here.
Omenife, the days of your wickedness are over. Go and confess to the people how you poisoned my mother in your bid to take over my life. As if that wasn't enough, you framed me up with the missing image of Odenjiji.
You are lying! Don't believe him, he's lying, oh! He's lying! Please, don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I will confess! I killed Ukoma. It was Affordingly. It was Ijenuka that pushed me to do it.
Omenife, it is in our hands for the gods to change their minds. All you need to do is to cooperate with me. That's all. That's all. That's all.
How is that possible? Look, we are mere mortals. And we don't have the power to make the gods change their minds.
Very simple. Very, very simple. Ofodile has to be killed. Oh yes. Ofodile has to be killed.
Please stop. How can you say that? That boy is the son of my late brother. No, don't go there.
Omenife, don't be afraid. Nobody will suspect you. Believe me. Nobody will suspect you. You see, everyone knows that Odibeze is angry because her son was not chosen. Very soon she will start exhibiting a friendly attitude towards Ugoma and her son. You know that. So, by the time we poison Ofodile, all eyes will be on her.
Ijenuka, are you sure we can do this? Are you sure it's going to be easy?
Very, very easy. Omenife, the power of the snake is within the snake. So what are we talking about? Very easy. All you need to do is to prepare your mind. I will provide the poison while you do the rest. But you will promise me that when you become the Igwe, you have to make me your Prime Minister. Yes.
Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. 99 days for the team.
This is the opportunity I've been looking for. If they like, they eat it together. That's not my business. They eat and die. I have known this family for years. I mean, I've been with them for years. Ugoma and Ofodile, they always eat together. Eh? How that woman decided to eat alone this time around is what beats my imagination.
Omenife, you disappointed me. You disappointed me. I don't expect you to still be talking. Eh? I am highly disappointed.
How are you disappointed? Eh? How are you disappointed? How am I to know that they were not going to eat together this time around?
You look at how you just messed up the whole plan. We did very well. Eh? Anyway, we are going to make another plan immediately because there is no time to waste.
Yes. I agree with you.
Yes.
Eh? we are going to make another plan. We'll wait for another opportunity. I am going to administer the poison myself. Let me see how he's going to escape it.
No. No more poison. Yes, this time around, we are going to steal the image of Udenjiji. Yes.
Steal?
That is what I'm saying.
Image of Udenjiji? No. Have you considered the implication?
Implication is dead. You know, and I know. That is the reason why we need to steal it and implicate Ofodile by planting it in his mother's house.
Mbana, I'm not part of that plan. How do you expect me to enter the shrine of Udenjiji? It is too dangerous. Look, let's map out another plan. Yes.
Who said you should enter the shrine of Udenjiji? Who said so? I never said so. Omenife, leave everything for me. Leave everything for me. I'm the brain behind this. Just relax. Okay? I have someone that will do a clean job for us. A very clean job. And that person is no other person than Ibegbo, the son of late Ume. Yes.
Do you trust him? Are you sure he will not implicate us?
He will not implicate us. I have used him before. I trust him. I used him when I had problem with my younger brother. He will do a perfect, he will do a clean job for you. Listen, there is no cause for alarm. When you give him money, when you give him enough money, he will deliver. He will finish work. Just give him money. Give him money.
But why are you still wasting time? Why you wait? Go.
Let me go. I will call him. Go. Don't worry.
This guy, you are a fat guy. Ofodile, you are now on the run. Very soon, you will be caught and killed. The next on our list is Eziechina. Once it's removed, I'll be the next choice for the throne of Umobia Kingdom. What a pleasant coincidence. Eziechina, my boy. How are you?
Fine, sir. I was just passing by, so let me come and greet you.
Oh, that is why I like you. You are a good son. Thank you. You see, this Ofodile, I'm yet to overcome the shock and shame that he brought to our family. That is disgraceful.
It's a pity.
How could he do that?
It's a pity. Not only you, he brought disappointment to all of us.
Do you know you are lucky? Yes. He has given you an opportunity of a lifetime. Now, you are going to be the next Igwe of Umobia Kingdom.
Uncle, that is true.
Sit down. My manners. You see, I'm happy you came. Yes. Wait for me. I'm coming.
Thank you, Uncle.
My son.
must be, must surely be. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. If onye metal, ojirisi abulu. If onye metal, ojirisi abulu.
Ezechina, today you are going to join your late father in the land of the dead. Then I, Omenife, will be the next Igwe of Umobia Kingdom. Yes. Ezechina drank the wine and died. His Bebu was not killed by Odenjiji. We killed him so that he will not expose our secrets.
Many people are but many of you are a wicked man. So you are the one behind all the evil going on in this town. Omenife.
It is only a child that plays with the head of a python. Oh no! This man deserves to be stoned to death.
It's the work of the devil. Omenife, you are going to be taken to the evil forest and be stoned to death.
Yes! Hey!
The wicked man. Hey! My son of Onny, we are very sorry. We are sorry. You can now come and sit on the throne of your forefathers as the Igwe Chinemeze one of Umoba Kingdom. My son, congratulations.
Funny, I just